Hello guys, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Nice to meet you. And are you ready for test?
Yes, sir.
You know about the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My first question. Listen carefully and answer. My first question. Tell me the name of an animal which starts with the alphabet E.
Sir, elephant.
Elephant, correct. Now, my second question. Listen carefully and answer me. Tell me the second and other animal's name which starts with alphabet T.
Sir, two elephant.
Stand up.
Sorry, sir.
Go from here. Get out of the class.
Sorry, sir.
Now, my third question. Listen carefully and answer. My third question. Tell me an other name of animal which starts with the alphabet M.
Sir, maybe elephant.